Hi, I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. Today, I want to give you my 5 reasons to work hard. Guys, working hard is what got me to where I'm at, and working harder than everybody else in the room is what's kept me to where I'm at. I've got my top 5 that I look at, and I'm sure you've got yours. If you've got 5 reasons or any reasons that you think maybe more important or maybe just more important to you, please leave them down here in the comment. Let us know what they are because I'm interested in that. Number 1, for me, it's a competitive world. I'm a very competitive person. I want to be the best at what I do. I've never wanted to grow up and own the cheapest plumbing company in town. I've never wanted to go and do just half-ass work. I want to be the best at what I do. And it is a very, very competitive world. And for me to try to be better than every other plumber out there, I've got to work really hard at it. And I understand that. So to me, that's what it takes, is knowing it's a competitive world. If you're getting into the plumbing industry, you're competing with other plumbers. You're competing with other companies. Your company is competing with other companies. However you want to look at it, to me, that's a big deal. I'm a very competitive person, and I've always wanted to have the best plumbing company. Well, number 2, that's how you get ahead. You get ahead by being better, by working harder. If I walk into a room with 50 other plumbers and I do as much or less than any one of them, that's it. I'm not getting ahead of anybody. I'm doing the exact same thing they are, or maybe even a little less. Maybe I'm taking it easier on myself. But if I go in and work harder than any other plumber on that job, I know that I'm going to get ahead. I'm going to be recognized. Somebody's going to see that I got out there and I worked harder and I got more done. And when you get more done, that makes your value go up. People see the value in what you do, how well you do it, and that's worth it. Number 3, if you want to be the best, you've got to work for it. One thing that I learned from Bobby Duran, he says, if you want to get ahead in this industry, get up an hour early every day and read about your trade. Now, whether you're a plumber, an electrician, a roofer, an HVAC tech, a landscaper, it doesn't matter what you are. If you want to be the best in your industry, get up and read about it. Read magazines, read newspapers, read articles, read online, study about the latest materials, the latest tools, the latest techniques, anything that you can do to get ahead. You want to be the very best. It takes hard work and you have to do it. Number 4, quitters never win. Okay? Don't quit. If you think something is worth doing and doing right and doing well, keep doing it. Persevere. Work hard at it. You will eventually get ahead of everybody else. Guys, what we do is not easy. It's that there's a lot of work to it. Now, there are a lot of people that make it an easy job because they half-ass it. They come in, they don't work hard, they take it easy. It's just very melancholy, it's just, they're just lackadaisical. Anyway, guys, quitters never win. You see me doing these social media videos, you see me on YouTube, you see me on Facebook, you see me on LinkedIn. I want to work harder than any other plumber out there to get information out there to help my customers, my friends, my family, or any plumber that wants to get into this trade. Number 5, why do I do it? What is one of my reasons, one of my top 5 reasons to work hard? Satisfaction. Guys, I'm satisfied with the job that I do. I am satisfied with the buildings that I've built. I can drive into downtown Dallas and look at the skyline and look at buildings I've built. I can still go back to the very first job that I ever did plumbing on. I can go look at the biggest hospital in Dallas and know that I was a quality control manager on it. Every time I fly in and out of DFW Airport, I know that I was director of operations and a senior superintendent, depending on what terminal or what phase you're looking at. Guys, plumbing is a great career. I love it. But it's not just about plumbing. Whatever industry you're in, whatever job you have, if you got onto this just because you came to see my YouTube channel and you like it, man, I love that. If you're an executive for a company, any one of these 5 reasons right there, It's a competitive world. That's how you get ahead. If you want to be the best, you must work hard for it. Quitters never win, and satisfaction. Guys, I don't care what job you have. I don't care what career you have. I don't care what position you have. Those are 5 things that can help every one of us. I hope you like these videos. If you do, please leave us a comment. If there's anything you want to hear about, please let me know. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. And guys, I hope you're enjoying it. My name's Roger Wakefield with Texas Green Plumbing, saving you money one drop at a time.